My name is Scotty McLeod. I'm out of Fort Providence, Northwest Territories. I run a plumbing and heating outfit. Majority of it is plumbing. We do a lot of work for local housing, housing corporation out of Hay River. Right now we're here in Nahanni Butte to work with Arctic Energy Alliance to install wood stoves for these homeowners. I think we got 12 to do.
My name is Curtis Manuel, and I'm from Fort Good Hope, and my company name is Construction Manual.
I'm Boris Angres. I am training for wet certification, installing wood stoves, inspections. Set up with Arctic Energy Alliance. Got some professionals here teaching us their tricks of the trade. It's all good.
My name is Henry Noctegal. My company is Winnipeg Chimney Service Incorporated, and we do wood stove installations and anything to chimneys throughout all of Canada, coast to coast to coast. And up here we're involved in helping training with the solid fuel burning wood stoves and the chimneys, how to install, and also we'll be doing some training on how to use these new advanced combustion wood stoves. Yeah, they would take a takeoff of what is needed, required for the chimney, for what type of stove is required, the size of stove is required, what flue pipe is required, ember pad. That's done first. That's already predetermined by the time we come to the job site. We come to the job site, we then are going to remove the flue pipe, we're going to remove the chimney, remove the old stove, and then we're going to come and start with the installation of the new stove, making sure the bucket support, whether it's a bucket support or a cathedral support, is installed correctly, if there's vapor barrier is also correctly sealed. Then we would attach our chimney up through the roof, and we'll continue with the inside with the wood stove placement. We want to be centered on our ember pad so it looks good, onto the flue pipe with its connection to the chimney and to the stove. My first connection with Arctic Energy Alliance would be about 2011, 2012, when I was teaching wet courses up in Inuvik, and we've had a good relationship ever since. I love what Arctic Energy stands for and what it is doing as well, and I've done many seminars with them. This is the first time I've been in Nahanni Butte, and it is one beautiful, beautiful place. It's a gem in the world. I'm totally enjoying it. So we'll be working with some of the installers here, training them and getting them wet certified. Call Arctic Energy Alliance, save energy, save money.